Hey YouTube, this is GamerX12. We're gonna be using my tabletop melting furnace today. Let's get some gloves on. Okay. We're gonna be melting this piece. Let's drop it in there. Close this and wait. Okay, let's see if it's melted. Yeah, it's all melted. I'm not sure if you can see it because it's really bright. Okay. Put our gloves on and we're gonna pour it. I have a small crucible, so this might not work. Alright, put my gloves on. I meant mold, not crucible. That was a okay pour. Let's put this back in here and close it. Okay. It's all solid, but it's still too hot to touch. Alright, let's look at it. Alright. I will go put in some water and I'll be right back. Okay, dipped it in water. Now it should be okay to touch. Alright, yeah, it's okay to touch. For my opinion, this looks a successful pour. We'll do more later on. I just want to show my new furnace. I did a few test runs on it. That's why it looks all rackety. The oil got off of it and kind of melted away. You can see the spots on the furnace.